Now, I would like to invite Sir to please come on the stage and guide us. A big round of applause for Sir. Sir, please come.
Respected Professor Lalit Agarwal ji, Professor Vikram Goyal ji, Professor Preet Singh ji, Dr. Umesh Gupta ji, my dear fellow colleagues, good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank the college to invite me as a chief guest on this function. Today, as in this, I will not go into the technical detail, just giving the brief about this particular program. This is one of the good initiative is done by the college as a faculty development program, and the college have taken the theme of this FDP is very good in nature. As we know, this is era of Industry 4.0, which is led to that is basically run by the AI data science. But can AI data science work with the computing machines? No. And here the quantum computing is just to exploit the power of exponential. If we are saying that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, but if we say that 3 raised to power 3, that will be raised to 81. Just the very small numbers, addition is 9 and their exponential is 81. So this is basically the fundamental behind the quantum computing. And basically one quantum, as we know, the word quantum is using the qubit, and this is containing the 4 states instead of the binary bits. So this is basically the 2 to 4 with the superposition and entanglement of the skewness of the. So this is the basic fundamental in the quantum computing, which is basically the concept of the physics and the atomic position, but that is used in the computing, and that will be lead to the exponential rise in the computing. And now we are seeing that data will be rising very sharply. If we say that, if somebody said that 40 years earlier, how many data will be used by some person, and you say that if that will be the question is asked 40, 50 years, what is the data which is used by the person? And that is nobody know internet, nobody know later on technology which we are using. So as the technology grow, so the data will be increasing later on. If we recall the Indian history of the telecommunication, 2003 Reliance came into the market, Reliance phone, and that time the first time becoming the free incoming on the mobile phone, and that will be the reach of the mobile phone to a general public, and that will be the huge change in the market scenario in the telecommunication. And that is the first step when every person will be getting some connectivity. The second step we recall came of the geo, free data, and that will become the habitual, and everybody is using that. Now we are paying enough for that. If we compare that even with the other countries, even that is a very smaller as compared to the other country, that amount is. So this is the change into the scenario where we are using the data and data. For the data, if we have to search something on the Google, where data came? Data came with our computing machines. And can a simple computer can do that? No. So that the concept of the high power computing is came into the picture. And when many years earlier, when India needs some computing machine, then US is refused to give the computing machine. So that time of the CDEC is coming into the picture, and that will be take a leading step for the country, and they have developed the Perm supercomputer. I think we have heard the name of that. And when that is developed, that is one of the powerful supercomputer as compared to the available supercomputer in the world. And now we have the various version of the Perm are the still exist. They are still very good configuration as compared to the other supercomputers. So because of that particular type of the initiative taken by the country, our the mathematical foundation is good, and our we are the leading into the IT sector. If any of the world, any part of the world, if somebody we need a IT professional. First thing is coming into look to the India. If they know we have to search for the electronics engineer, VLSI engineer, they are not coming to the India. They are going to the Taiwan, China, Korea. If we need the best mechanical engineer in the world, so they are the first of looking for the Germany. So this type of the step have taken done by the Indian industry. And as we know, this particular era is not the war of the persons or the countries. Now this is war of the technology, war of the company. Now we are hearing some few names in the industry: Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Google. There are so many companies. They are not the simple company. They are moving the policies of the country. They are moving the international policies. And now we have seen the few war in just the Ukraine-Russia war, Israel-Iran, and Israel-Hamas, and very small patch of the India-Pakistan. So what is happening behind that? Is the person or the fighting on the border? Rarely. But this is war of the technology. So whosoever is the ahead in the technology, that will be lead in the its position at the every level, at level of the individual, at the level of the organization, at the level of the country. So this type of the step taken by the college to upgrade the faculty of the not only the college itself, and but by the some sounding college is a very good step has taken by the college. And so we have to we have to take the maximum advantage of this step. Otherwise we are the coming here for the 6 days, and this 6 day will be passed on. But if we utilize that in a fully way, then that will be the benefit for our future also. So I wish all the participants to take the participant in this particular FDP seriously, and I hope they will be learn something, and they will be take something with them. And thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.